Hi, I'm Rikke. I'm the General Manager, or the Curator, as we say at Radisson Red. Now let's unbox the role of a General Manager. Commitment to operational excellence is everything. As a GM, you need to keep an eye on many things at the hotel. For example, the brand standards of the hotel. Talking about brand standards. As a General Manager, you always ensure that every guest has a memorable stay. Managing a hotel is like a puzzle. It's all about connecting the dots and getting the team to deliver great guest experience. Numbers count. As a General Manager, they matter even more. It is an ongoing process, always to maximize revenue and profitability. Sharing feedback, aligning strategies requires effective communication. The first aid kit is not just about health emergencies. As a GM, it's about the well-being of your team and of your guests. As a General Manager, you are always in the driver's seat to ensure excellence and achievement.